Hey, what's up, people? Welcome to Riding on Ruby. Well, today's Sunday, the day before Memorial Day, so it's Memorial Day weekend. And I'm gonna go pick up my daughter, and we're gonna take Ruby for a ride to go pick her up. I got the helmet, her helmet on the back, so hopefully it's gonna stay there. If not, I'll let you know. And her boyfriend Scott's helping out a family member for a couple hours, so he'll come by later, and then maybe we get the lawn mowed, and then he could help me get my 10,000 BTU air conditioner in the window, because my back has an attitude lately and doesn't want me to pick it up myself. So we're gonna just do a short ride down there and back, but it'd still be about a 15-20 minute video. And of course my daughter doesn't like to be in it, so I'll have to edit out some of it that she feels she wants taken out. Some camera shy thing or something, I don't know. Alright, people, I'll get back to you. Alright, people, I'm back. Can't listen to the music because then I'll get a copyright like I did on one of my other videos, because even though I got the full face on with the GoPro, I can't hear it with the full face on, so no sense in playing it anyways. Alright, let's fire the baby up. She idles high. She used to idle about 1250 RPMs, but once I put on this Firebrand loose cannon slip-on muffler, has, I guess, less compression, so now she idles about 1500, 1400 to 1500 at first. Eventually she'll drop down to about 13. Alright, let's rock and roll. At least it's not all rainy like some years. Ooh. Alright, let me pull this down so you don't hear the wind. Alright, watch it, buddy, I'm coming through. Alright. This whole weekend is time to remember all those who fallen and gave us this country we got. Hopefully there won't be a lot of drunk drivers out there. Tomorrow we'll probably just hang out, get my new fire pit fired up, and have a little cookout and just chill out in the backyard all day. still get a lot of wind. I think I got some of the vents open though, I'm not sure. Wow. Well, you know, you buy a cheap helmet, you're gonna get wind. But it's a beautiful day. Light breeze. I think it's gonna get like into the upper 70s, maybe 80. But supposedly towards the end of the week, this coming week, it's supposed to be like in the 80s, possibly the 90s. So I'll probably end up shutting off the video when I get there because we gotta undo her helmet and get it on. So it'll be some segments, but I'll edit it all together. Day. Hey, I hope you people are following my buddy Hippie Trev in Australia. He's getting really close to that 1,000 subscriber amount, and he can start getting monetized. Guy's got some problems with his motor in his car, so he could probably use the extra money to get it fixed. He's a good mate. Has a lot of great videos working on the car. Harley rides on his Harley. And he loves doing models, so check out all his model builds. So that's Hippie Trev. Go check out Red Ryder. She's in Canada. She's got an old shovel head and a Dyna that she calls Johnny Crash, because I guess it was a crash bike and she ended up buying it. But she's doing a lot of good work. Her and her father are like awesome working on them and manufacturing her own parts. So go check her out too. And of course, subscribe to Riding on Ruby. Alright, hold on people, I gotta get everything going here and get it all set, so I'll get back to you. Hey, what's up people? Well, again, the GoPro let me down. It didn't even record the whole entire trip back with my daughter to come home. So I'm just throwing this extra bit in there. I'll probably put something at the beginning of the video explaining the GoPro was a piece of shit again, but what are you gonna do? That's all I have, that's all I could afford. Alright, so people, hey, it's Memorial Day weekend. Be out there, be safe when you're on the roads, watch really good for people that are drinking and everything. Have a good time with friends and family, and remember all these people that fallen. Peace out, people.